Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on the wonderful news. The headlines: the Edo State Deputy Governor NSI0N has revealed that the former governor of Edo State, Oshiomhole, opposed the nomination of his son, RI0UN, as Commissioner for Health Designate. Moving on after this, we have the Edo State Governor Monday dissolved Governing Council of Bùrst University and other tertiary institutions. He sacked state hospital management staff as well. My people be small castle, but guys, before we bring the matter, I would like to welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. So guys, let's proceed. The Edo State Deputy Governor NSI0N revealed that the former Governor of Edo State, Oshiomhole, opposed the nomination of his son, RI0N, as Commissioner for Health Designate. Maybe you guys can recall that Governor Monday appointed Dr. RI0N Oshiomhole as Commissioner for Health Designate last Tuesday. So according to the statement by his Chief Press Secretary, Fred Yawa, speaking during an interview on Channel Television on Wednesday, it also described RI0N as a seasoned medical doctor who is fully qualified to serve in the cabinet of Monday. So he said Senator Oshiomhole is a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and his son, like any other individual, has his own destiny. RI0N is a seasoned medical doctor. So he studied in Nigeria and he went on to further his education in the United States. He is fully qualified to be in the cabinet. So the fact that he is Oshiomhole's son does not disqualify him from holding a position he is competent to manage. So he said he will serve as Commissioner for Health based on merit. Refuting allegation of nepotism and state capture, it also noted that the former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress opposed his son nomination. So this position has nothing to do with Oshiomhole. In fact, Adams opposite, that he was against the nomination because of the vision the governor has for the people of Edo State. So the governor made the decision to appoint RI0N based on competency, not because of his father. That is what it also explained. That is the deputy governor. So addressing comparison with the former president Olusegun Obasanjo remarks about the state capture, they also said that what is happening in Edo State is far from state capture. That is about ensuring competency and delivering results for the people. On his role as deputy governor, he said the governor and him discuss cabinet matter, but the main statutory function as deputy governor is overseeing the boundary commission, which he will chair. So now you say maybe people no come dey talk say now because say RI0N is Oshiomhole's son, I make the appointment. He say no. He says RI0N is a medical doctor and he has his own destiny. So Senator Monday appointed him because he is competent to manage the position. He is fully qualified to be in Mondo's cabinet. So don't be saying because in Papa na the former governor of Edo State. At some point, the deputy governor also went further to state that nobody should expect him to fight with his principal, Oshiomhole, and the governor, Monday. He has said that the ultimate goal of Senator Monday's administration is to put the Edo people first. He stated that the governor is his elder brother and not just his boss, stressing that they would ensure that the dividend of democracy is provided to the people of Edo State. So nobody should expect any misunderstanding between him and his principal, because he's here not to serve the personal interests of the good people of Edo North. So if there is going to be a personal interest that will supersede the interests of Edo people, he don't think he's worthy to be in this seat. Speaking on the controversy surrounding the deputy governor office in the last administration, he said he have had several conversations with his predecessor and he understands that leadership is the key when they have a good governor who sees his deputy as his younger brother. So both of them can work together for the interests of the state. So that is what the current governor has shown to him. That is not just his deputy, but he's his younger brother. He's here for a purpose, just to develop the state and the people in terms of human capital development. So for him, the office of the deputy governor is to complement the plans and vision of the governor, to support and ensure that most of their campaign promises are fulfilled. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. We would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State Governor Senator Monday has approved the dissolution of the Governing Council of all state-owned tertiary institutions, including Bùrst University, Ikpoma. In the same vein, the governor has also approved the disengagement of the management staff of Edo Specialist Hospital and Stella Obasanjo Hospital, Benin City, with immediate effect. My people don't be small. Both approvals were conveyed in a government special announcement dated November 20th, 2024, and it was signed by the Secretary to the State Government, Umar Musa Ikilo. This was disclosed in a statement on Wednesday, signed by Fred Itua, Chief Press Secretary to Edo State. So he said they thereby announced for the information of the general public that the governor of Edo State, Senator Mondo Obolo, His Excellency, has approved the dissolution of the governing council of all state-owned tertiary institutions in Edo State with immediate effect. So accordingly, all affected members of the governing council of all state-owned tertiary institutions are to hand over all government properties in their possession to the respective head of the institution. My people don't be spoke with you. So they hereby announced for the information of the general public that the governor of Edo State, Senator Mondo Obolo, has approved the disengagement of the management staff of Edo Specialist Hospital and Stellon Basanjo Hospital, Benin City, with immediate effect. So in view of the above, the management staff of the aforementioned hospital are to hand over all government properties in their possession to the most senior officers in their various institutions. That's barely 1 week. Senator Mondo Obolo has been sacking a lot of representatives in various sectors. My point of small battle. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. Would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out between our latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. Once again, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like on your next. Bye for now.